So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can just purchase this Shopkeeper WordPress theme in just $3 and how you can install it in your website. So before going to the video, I want to tell you this thing. This is not any null or copy theme. So that means you will get all the updates from our site. So in this video I will purchase this and I will tell you how to install it in your website. So at first I want to change this currency. Now click on this buy now. Now here you have to fill your basic details. Done. Now you can choose this one. Now here in this checkout page you have to make the transaction done. Now as you can see the transaction is successfully done. Now you see this page. Now here you see this, the first one is, you see this, the first one is the theme file, and the second one is the child theme file, and the third one is the license key file. So you have to download three of them, all of them. Now why we are providing this license key? So while you install it, we already enable the license key with this theme file, but in case if you face any kind of problem or any trouble will be there, then what you can do is you can just manually copy this license key and you can just paste it in your theme file and it will be all done. So it's downloaded. Now I have to install it in my website. So I have to go to this appearance themes. Now here you have to go to is add new theme, upload theme. Now you see this one is the child file and this one is the original theme file. Activate. Now you see this, the theme is successfully activated. Now the customization part. Now you can do it from yourself, whatever you like, however you like, you can just customize it in your way. So hopefully this video is helpful, and if you found this helpful then be sure to like this video and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.